How to use BlaBlaCar vouchers. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use the BlaBlaCar vouchers. Now, what are BlaBlaCar vouchers? They are vouchers that can be used as a means of payment instead of money. All right. Whenever you are booking a ride on BlaBlaCar, you you will be asked to check out, and then at the checkout point, on most occasions, you would have to pay. Okay, and then you can decide to use your voucher to make payments. So how can you use this? It's very simple. The first step is to sign in into your BlaBlaCar account, and then once you're signed in, you report to the page where you can see your account icon by the top right corner. Next to it, you can see the option publish a ride, and next to that, you can see the search icon as well. So to use the voucher, you'd have to first of all search for a ride and then get a ride, and then you can just click on the search icon. Once you click on the search icon, you'll be taken to the search page. On this page, you have to enter where you're leaving from, where you're going to, the date, the number of passengers, and search. Then once you've searched for a ride and then you've gotten a ride, and you've selected the ride, you've entered in your passengers details, etc. You'll be directed to a page called the checkout point. All right. At this checkout point, the next step is to enter in the voucher code sent by email. All right, just enter in the voucher code inside the box for payment, and then once it has been accepted, and if the ride exceeds the amount of the voucher, you would need to pay the difference by inputting your credit card. But first of all, you have to input your voucher code if you have, and then once you input it in and the money is sufficient, payment will be made through that voucher code, and then you can go ahead and get your ride. All right, so that's how it works. That's how you can use BlaBlaCar voucher. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.